And now we'll see some words with sound T. And first of all, let's remember how we pronounce sound T. Put your tongue up in your mouth and say T, 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 T. And if you touch here in your neck, you don't have any vibration. T, T. Compare with D, D, D. Here you feel vibration. No, we don't pronounce it with voice. We are whispering. T, 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 T. Okay, and now let's move to the words. So the first word is train. Train. Did you travel by train? Train. T, t, train. The next word is tree. 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 Say with me. T, t, tree. Great. And we move on to the next word. 10. Do you remember number 10? Look. 10. 10. 10. And let's see some other words with sound T. The words beginning with sound T. Teeth. Teeth. Yesterday I told you that before the lesson you should be ready and you should brush your teeth. Did you brush your teeth today? Did you? Okay, I hope so. Teeth. T, t, teeth. Great. And the next word is tiger. 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 And tiger has very big and sharp teeth. Tiger. T, t, tiger. And the next word is taxi. Taxi. Do you often take taxi? Or do you go by your car? T, t, taxi. T, t, taxi. And the next word is toy. Toy. Tell me, what is your favorite toy? Do you have any favorite toy? T, t, toy. Say with me. T, t, toy. T, t, toy. I hope to see now your favorite toy. Get ready.